Good morning, everybody. This is Angela here at Stand By for Sunrise. I'm trying to finish up my breakfast. Didn't quite get there. I had some oatmeal this morning. Got my coffee. So let's set this aside. What I have today is to show you. We're going to open up they call it, the May Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. I just got it in my mail yesterday. So I'm gonna open it up with you and let's be all excited. All right, I love the beautiful blue box. So this is all about the end colors. So our color that they're giving us is basic gray, okay? Excuse me. And we have happy, you must, just for you, or you make me happy, you can do anything, you know, happy to have you in my life and happy to celebrate your day. Oh, and some little, those little dots things I love. Oh my gosh, that is a precious, precious, precious stamp set. Okay, we're going to talk about next month's real quick. Beautiful Tahitian Tide paper, tissue paper. It's all about the end colors today. I'm gonna set those aside. All right. Now let's see what we have in this kit because I really don't know. All right, it's all wrapped up. So let's get the tissue paper. Look at these guys. Oh, quick, easy. All the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 end colors. Looks like 2 cards each, so it's 10 cards. Wow, and envelopes, of course. So I'm telling you, these kits are $23 plus shipping a month. You can prepay like 6 months at a time, which is a great deal. They get you $1 off per kit, and it's one time 11% shipping. I think it's a fabulous deal. And getting the surprise and just not knowing what you're going to be creating. And if you don't care for what's in the kit, you know, there's all kinds, you can do all kinds of things with these kits. So let's just see what all is in here. Okay. All right. So I love the way it is. I mean, just for you. And they're using the happy there and best wishes. Wonder where that's from. I bet it's in here. Okay. There's a nice piece of chipboard. Look, you could actually cut that and make a little book. Okay, just saying. All right. Maybe that's what I need to do is create something with all the, here's all the instructions, including a ruler for measuring the ribbon or twine, whatever's in here. And alternate ideas, look at that. Cute, cute. Okay. So, let's see what's here. I'm going backwards. All right, we got some banners. And we've got, ooh, those are Tahitian Tie. These are that parakeet party. And they've got the little speckles already on them, some of them. Okay. All right, these are our card bases. So, the U's and the gold's already there. Look at that. How, okay. All right, then we've got more banners. These are just your basic white banners, different sizes. And there's that best wishes, the happy, cute, cute. Oh my gosh. 2 of those, okay. All right, we got something a little different here. Now this is just a card front. It is not the base, whole base, look at that. So you could easily cut this in half and use it, you know, get 4 cards instead of 2. The brain's going. Your basic white bases. So basically they're suggesting put this on here as a layer. Okay. Why? I am all about getting more bang for the buck. Oh look, I just noticed this is cut to match that. Look at that. So it's kind of opposite, see? cute. All right, Stampin' Up. They just, look at this. There's the U that you can stamp that on and die cut it. And then you got these pieces left over. Okay. Bases with banners already printed on them. And these are fronts with the circles. Oh, okay. Look at all these die. Oh, these are little, what are these? Oh, I don't know. I don't see them on here. Oh, let's just see what these are. Number 3. I don't see that on number 3. They're not showing me what to do with these. Oh, duh. You fold it up, it goes on the inside, and it's the gift card holder part. Duh. Okay, little gift card holder inserts, okay. Isn't that just fun? Okay, more plain white bases, and these aren't cut. More gift card holders. And here are the envelopes, beautifully colored to match. Look, we have tear tape. Let's put those gift card holders in. Oh, the in color dots. Nice little sample there, my dimensionals. And, oh, no ribbon in this one. Okay, so that is the kit. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? So yeah, the little insert. See, there it is. Duh, I missed that, totally missed that part of it. All right, I really like this. Did they say what it does? No. So I'm thinking, look, see how they took one of those little gift card holders and just made a little tag? Oh my gosh, okay. This is gonna be a fun kit to play with. Since we're talking kits, and I have a little, oh, this, it's too late for you to get this kit unless Stampin' Up! For subscribers, you can get past kits when they're available, and they just released a bunch of new ones. So if you are interested in Paper Pumpkin and getting some of the past kits, maybe this kit might be available. Subscribe, and then you'll be able to get those past kits. All right, this is the kit that's coming out for June. You have until June 10th to subscribe or prepay and get this kit. It's called Pick of the Crop, okay? Watercolor designs, heartfelt sentiments. And this is, of course, our in colors that we just got. All right, so Pick of the Crop. I've seen a preview. It's cute as can be. All right. Guys, get your Paper Pumpkin kits coming to you monthly. They're awesome. And if I get enough subscribers, I'm thinking about doing something with the Paper Pumpkin kits just exclusively for my subscribers. So, all right. What else? I got, oh, let me show you something. Oh, yeah, let me show you something. Since we're talking kits, I got 2 of the newest kits. The kits are not in the catalog. They are totally online. You can see them. You can order them, you know, obviously through my online store. But you can also say, hey, I want to order this kit, and I can add it to an order. This is the Kindness Cards kit. Now, all our kits, like I said, they come and go. Sometimes they sell out. This one is adorable in that you have these, like, you shine like the star, something, I can't read it. You shine like the star. Have a great day. Oh my gosh, kindness wins. You are so amazing. Look at this. This is all about kind. It's kind notes, okay? And that's what this kit is all about. And there's another basic gray ink spot. These kits are all inclusive. They come with, let's open. Now this one is a little different in that that's what it is. It's about handing out notes of kindness. or pop in just little notes. So we've got our ink, we've got our stamp, we've got a block. Okay, this is a little box that you keep these little notes in so that you're ready to hand them out. So look at these. These are just simple little notes. They're like little chipboards, so they can use either side. Okay, you stamp on this, you add your little tags. I mean, these are thick, guys. These are, I love this. Oh my gosh. Little, and these are stickers. Okay, that's so easy. Makes it so easy. All right. Same thing here. Decorate your little box. Decorate your little tags. And here's the little envelopes that and you just hand them out or pop them in a little card. These would be great for a dinner party, just a little gift, a little note of thankness, kindness. Here's some ideas. Okay, and let's see. These are the instructions laid out just like. Okay. So I love this. This is the new, like I said, the kindness kit. And again, you have this little tin. The tin itself would make a great little hostess gift, wouldn't it? Okay. All right. So that's the kindness cards kit. Oh, I love that one. I'm all about the little boxes and tins. You'll see my stamp area. I've got tins from previous kits that hold my 6x6 designer paper. I get a tin that I put in a punch box, and I have my retired 3D in that. All right, so what? I didn't even look at the name of this kit. Oh my gosh! I think this A Million Thanks or something like that. A Million Thanks kit, yay! And this has Evening Evergreen as the ink spot. And you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. Okay, here's all the different thank yous. Oh my gosh. All right, again, a block, ink, stamps, embellishment, and all the cards. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Really quick it is. What is our time? We're good on time. So it's just showing you all about kits today. I just got these this week and I'm loving it. Okay, there's our block. Dimensionals, mini dimensionals, and flat matte dots. Our envelopes that I am sure are lined. Okay. These are, oh gosh, it's got embossing on them. So see how pretty, and then they're white on the inside. These are die cuts. There's our little hearts. Look at the squares of that. So it's almost like the embossed resist look. Die cuts. 2 sheets of them. Ooh, look at that. So that's gonna be coming down. All right. Good morning, Teresa. Dee should have lots of time for stamping right now, right? We got our labels. Oh, look at this little zigzag. It looks like ribbon, but it's not. I love it. Tags and more tags. And our glue dots. You don't even need adhesive. It has glue dots with it. Those need to go on the bottom. Okay. And of course that chipboard again. So I think we're going to need to do some books. All right, so those are the kits. Paper Pumpkin, A Million Thanks, and let's see, I always forget the names. Kindness cards. Okay, guys, grab yourself a kit. Let's do a stamp night with kits. Watch for that to be on my schedule. I'm gonna get a schedule made, and we're gonna be doing it. Well, good morning, Dee. You are watching. Hope you're feeling better. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and remember, let the sun shine in your heart. Bye.